There was a time when it was actually a taboo to be sent for training by your boss because the impression was that you were lacking something, a skill, an attitude that needed to be fixed. So in fact, many people avoided attending training at work. As ludicrous as this sounds, let's talk about what training really is. There are perhaps 3 common ways to find out if we need training. The first is training specific to the job you are doing. These are non-negotiable. The second is doing a training needs analysis, TNA. And the third is for people to identify training they feel they need to become more competent. Now, training, like education, should do one thing very well. It should be less about learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. By the way, this is taken from an Albert Einstein quote, and I love it. In today's environment, there's no excuse for anyone not being able to find the knowledge they need from the internet or GPT. Now pay attention to that line, training of the mind to think. This is key to eradicating the taboo that training is fixing something that's broken. In fact, training is, well, it should be, about resetting the way we understand the subject matter and then using it to our advantage. I say it should be because not every training today is doing that or doing it well. So if a training gives me something I can read up myself on the internet or ChatGPT, this training is of little use. It is doing exactly what Einstein says it shouldn't be doing, sharing of facts. Let me share what training should be doing instead. 1. Understand the problems the learners have. If I may stretch this a bit more, trainers need to know what each learner's TNA says. 2. The lesson must target these known problems, if possible, one by one. Say in no uncertain terms, this is your problem and this is how we can fix it. 3. Avoid making the training technical or even academic. Go straight to the problem, say it like it is, and offer the solutions in plain language. If you agree with my assessment, what most of us consider are good questions in designing training, for instance, can we add more diverse delivery methods? Or what lesson can we use AI on? Are in fact not the first questions we should be asking. We should be asking, what problems are the learners seeking to solve? Or what training needs are we fulfilling? That's why in my communications masterclass, Command the Room, I start every class with assessing every learner's level of speech proficiency. In so doing, I know exactly which learner needs more of a certain speech skill and would direct the appropriate exercises on those areas. It also means each learner in my class gets different degrees of attention according to their actual needs. Now that is training the mind to think. If you're looking for communications training that targets your real needs, write to me to find out more about my Commander Room. I'm Joseph Wong.